Good day everyone, you are welcome to Geojay Solution channel. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to take you through Nigeria healthcare facilities data. The healthcare facilities data that is available in Nigeria, of course, that you can use for some research. That's what I want to take you through. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's go to ArcGIS and bring in the data, the health facility we have in Nigeria currently. Let's navigate to the data, Nigeria healthcare facilities, shapefile. So this is the data for healthcare facilities available in Nigeria. The essence of this video is just to show people that Nigeria is improving in terms of data collection, data availability, because previously most of this data were not available, but now I think we are making progress. Sometimes you want to carry out research, you don't even know where to get the data from. So the data is now at least relatively available in Nigeria. So let me bring in the shapefile of Nigeria also, so that you can see each state, what is available in each state. Let's bring in Nigeria. Okay, so let me just make this one hollow and increase the size. Let's give it red. Okay, and of course let's bring this one down and let's label it properties. Let's go to label and let's label these features with name, and let's just say 12 and make it let's give it this color, pink. Okay, so that each state you can see the healthcare facility in each state. For example, let's take Kaduna for example, and of course the facility, this does not mean that this is all available for healthcare facilities in Nigeria, but at least this is the one officially recorded that is available as at present. And if you go to the attribute table of this healthcare facility, let's open the attribute table, you see a lot of information about this healthcare facility, the longitude, the latitude, the political wards it belongs to, and of course the local government area it belongs to, and the states it belongs to. All this information are available. The last date updated is available. The accessibility information is available. Then the functionality status, function status is also available. Then the type, category, primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, all these informations are also available. And of course ownership, private, public, all this information are available. And of course the type, whether it is primary healthcare, secondary healthcare, tertiary healthcare, and of course the source of this data is also available. And the primary name of each of these healthcare facilities is also available that you can make use of. And then what is the essence of this healthcare facility? Let me show you one thing. Some of the potential research areas you can carry out with healthcare facility. You can try to consider the spatial distribution of healthcare facilities. It's a researchable area. And of course, the accessibility of healthcare facilities in terms of physical accessibilities, economic accessibilities, you can also analyze for this. And of course, functionality and quality of service delivery. There are other areas of research you can use this data for. So this data is available, and of course if you need it, you can check the description box if you need this data. So this is Nigeria healthcare facility available in each state, in each local government, their name, their source, functionality, all of that things are available. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.